Hi, today I'm going to talk to you about the math scaling feature on Agilent's 53200 series of universal counters. Now often when you're testing a time base or testing an oscillator or a clock, we're not concerned about the exact frequency display on the counter. We're more concerned about how far is that reading from some reference value, how many parts per million, how many percentage, things like that. So I'm going to show an example of the math scaling feature because it delivers that type of reading to you. So I have an example oscillator here, a 50 megahertz oscillator being powered by the DC power analyzer, and the output is being measured with a 53230A universal counter. So you can see we're not quite at 50 megahertz, but let's say I want to check to see if we're, let's say, 4 parts per million off. So I can go math, I can go null scale, then I'm going to enter in 50 megahertz because that's my reference value. Then I'm going to turn my scaling feature on, and I can show null, which is just hertz. I can show percentage, I can show parts per million, I can show parts per billion, and then I can do a custom one. I'm going to show parts per million. There's parts per million, and I'm 3.4 parts per million off from 50 megahertz. Pretty easy. Thanks for watching.